Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I want to give you a six-figure tip of the day. Okay, so be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell where you don't miss a beat when we go live and create valuable content just like this for you. Now, what I want to share with you is a simple tip. All right, back in 2008 when I first got started, with this whole online marketing world and learning YouTube and learning marketing, all those different things, I got very overwhelmed and I got very confused and I struggled and nothing was happening for me. But all things changed for me. Many things changed for me when I picked up one book, and that was The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. So I want to give you a very simple tip that I learned from this book that completely catapulted me from failure to success. And that one tip, and that six-figure tip for you is focus on one thing with simple, methodical steps every single day. Think about it, just one thing every single day over a long period of time, you can create results. You see, most people overcomplicate things and they want to do too many things to achieve results. But do you know that if you do one simple thing methodically every day over a long period of time, the compound effect kicks in and you start getting results? This is what happened to me. And I started, getting great results in my life and in my business. To the point I've been able to travel, I've been able to talk on stage and mentor hundreds, if not thousands of people all over the world. It's amazing, guys, when you focus on one activity over a long period of time. It's called simple discipline. So if you've been struggling and you've been trying to figure out how to create success, you've been working too hard. All you have to do is work smarter, not harder. Okay? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Just a simple, quick video for you guys today. Make sure that you click on the link below if you want to know our #1 recommended system that we use on the internet to create our freedom and our lifestyle. Click on that link, put your email in, and get that free 7-day trial. And we'll see you on the inside. Take care.
What changed in me was mentorship. What changed in me was looking for people who had walked the path that I wanted to walk. I wanted to change things up here because things were screwed up here from programming for who knows how many years. From school, from friends, from family, except my dad. Right? Everyone around me was programming me to fail. Even when I wanted to be a musician, friends were like, "Oh, you're never going to be on stage." Yeah, right. Watch me. Look at that. 2 CDs. Toured. Played with my favorite band, my idol. Hung out with them, had a beer. Shared the same stage.